Clean your country is a strategic national government program. Well, it's not working, is it? I don't see it working. You see it working? Okay. I don't see Swachh Bharat working very well. Huh? You think it's working?
The house is divided.
Yes, it's working. Okay. No. Okay, let's ask another question. Do you think Make in India is working? Do you think so?
No.
गुजरात को अगर किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को अमूल दिया है, गुजरात को दूध दिया है, तो इस तरफ देखिए, इन महिलाओं ने दिया है, गुजरात की महिलाओं ने दिया है।
बसवा जी ने कहा था, इब नरवा, इब नरवा, इब नरवा, इब नंबा, इब नंबा, इब नंबा।
कोका कोला कंपनी का नाम सुना आपने? यहां कोई व्यक्ति है जिसने कोका कोला कंपनी का नाम नहीं सुना हो? सबने सुना है? अब आप मुझे बताओ, कोका कोला कंपनी को किसने शुरू किया? कौन था ये? कोई जानता है? मैं आपको बताता हूं कौन था। कोका कोला कंपनी को शुरू करने वाला एक शिकंजी बेचने वाला व्यक्ति था। वो अमेरिका में शिकंजी बेचता था, पानी में चीनी मिलाता था। उसके एक्सपीरियंस का आदर हुआ, हुनर का आदर हुआ, पैसा मिला, कोका कोला कंपनी बनी। मैकडॉनल्ड्स कंपनी का नाम सुना होगा आपने? मैकडॉनल्ड्स कंपनी का नाम सुना, सब जगह दिखती है मैकडॉनल्ड्स कंपनी। इसको चालू किसने किया? क्या करता था वो? कोई बता सकता है मुझे? ढाबा चलाता था, ढाबा चलाता था। आप मुझे हिंदुस्तान में वो ढाबा वाला दिखा दो।
ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा।
My question is this: why is it that during the years that your family ruled India, India's per capita income was growing less than the world average? And yet, in the years since your family relinquished the Prime Ministership of India, India's per capita income has grown substantially faster than the world average.
Okay, thank you. That's a very sharp, succinct question. So,
and what is your hypothesis?
I asked you the question. I'm here to ask the question.
That's quite.
My hypothesis is in my book. Please read the book. It's called Asia Reborn.
I mean, you're giving a hell of a lot of power to one family.
No,
right?
See,
let me give you
okay.
One sec. Let me give you an alternative.
So, since you asked me back a question, let me just elaborate on the question a bit. At the point of independence, India's per capita income was one of the lowest in the world. India's life expectancy at birth was 32 years, the lowest in the world. Africa's average was 38. So, when you are the poorest country in the world, you should be growing faster than the world average in order to close the gap
okay,
with the rest of the
if
world.
I may interrupt.
And unfortunately, during the period of your family's rule,
thank you very much,
India did
Mr.
not
Basu.
achieve that.
Thank you.
That's the question. Why?
Thank you. I mean, there was a sharp question. You can either decide to take it or not.
I can take it if
Okay.
you want.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Do you agree? First of all, do you agree that India is a success today?
Of course.
You do.
A relative
Do you-
success since your family relinquished the prime ministership. Yes.
तो थोड़ा मैं आपको अब इमोशनल बात कहना चाहता हूं, दिल की बात कहना चाहता हूं। This morning, I got up at night
बड़े बड़े नाम हैं, टीपू सुल्तान जी, कृष्ण नाराजा वोडेयार जी, विश्वरैया.
30,000 crore rupees given to Mr. Anil Ambani.
Then what do we do?
30,000 crores given to Mr. Anil Ambani.
30,000 കോടി അനിൽ അംബാനിക്ക് അദ്ദേഹം ദാനമായി നൽകി.
He's never made an aircraft in his life.
Then what do we do?
Echo is coming. Okay.
He has never made an aircraft in his entire life. He has never made an aircraft in his life.
Okay, കിട്ടില്ല.
But he's given the world's biggest defense contract.
എന്നാൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഒരു എയർക്രാഫ്റ്റ് കോൺട്രാക്ട് ആണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.
And then in every speech the Prime Minister speaks of corruption.
Prime Minister,
In every speech he speaks about corruption.
yeah.
We are going to do a surgical strike on poverty. We are going to do a surgical strike on poverty.
നമ്മള് ഈ ഇക്കണോമിയിൽ ഒരു മിന്നലാക്രമണം.
And I want to make it very clear to the middle class of Kerala and middle class of the country.
ഞാന്
Narendra Modi gave 35,000 crores to Nirav Modi, 35,000 crores to Mehul Choksi, 45,000 crores of debt to Mr. Anil Ambani, Vijay Mallya, Lalit Modi. These are the people where this money is going to come from. The moment people stop buying things, factories stop producing things. The moment people stop buying things, factories stop producing.
ആളുകൾ